Have you ever noticed that most AI music sounds just a bit too perfect? It's clean, it's polished, and technically, it's flawless. But it often feels like it was recorded in a vacuum-sealed studio. It lacks an atmosphere and that raw, authentic, human imperfection. It sounds like a digital recording, not a human performance. And today, I'm going to show you how to break Suno out of that sterile studio and put it into a real-world environment. But we are not just adding sound effects. We are going to focus on changing the performance context. This trick uses environmental cues inside the lyrics to bias Suno toward a different style of output, focusing more on live recording quality, audience noise, imperfect timing, and raw vocal delivery. So when Suno sees these cues, for an atmosphere in a stadium, a rainy street, or a crowded cafe, the AI actually shifts its fundamental behavior. It isn't just layering a rain track over your music. Instead, it deliberately decreases the vocal polish to make the singer sound more raw and authentic. It loosens the timing of the instruments to make them feel more human and less robotic. And it adds natural air and spatial noise to the recording. Essentially, you are telling the AI, stop trying to be a computer and start being a performer. To pull this off, you need to master two specific types of syntax in prompting. First, we have section tags, which we wrap in brackets. These tags set the overall context for a specific part of the song. Think of these as the environment settings. For example, using a tag like intro, live crowd cheering, or stage ambience tells Suno that the music hasn't quite started yet, and it needs to build the acoustic space first. This biases the AI to prepare for a live recording. Second, we can use asterisks for non-sung sound events. This is crucial. The asterisks tell Suno, this is a sound, do not sing these words. If you simply write the word applause without asterisks, there's a very high chance your AI singer will literally sing the word applause as part of the lyrics. By wrapping it like this, asterisk, applause, asterisk, you are giving a technical instruction to the sound engine, not the vocalist. Here are some of the sound references that you can use for live atmospheres. You can use words like crowd cheering, applause, audience sing-along, or even festival roar. You can use them with asterisks, and it creates a physical relationship between the singer and the environment. Let's check out this example. I have the lyrics and style ready accordingly and hit create.
Hands in the air! Let me hear you! We are the fire! We are the light! We're gonna burn through the night!
That's awesome. You can clearly hear the crowd roaring and singing along. The atmosphere is on point here, and the singer sounds like he's actually feeding off that energy. Now, while this is quite reliable, especially with the atmosphere, this may not always work. To protect your credits, you need to know why it might fail. First, it usually fails with highly polished genres. If you're making clean pop or pristine EDM, Suno is trained to keep that sound perfect, so it's actually going to fight against your live instructions. Second, you have to be careful with conflicting keywords. You can't ask for a live crowd and then put words like studio in your style prompt. Third, don't overdo it. If you're dropping a sound cue line after line, the AI will start prioritizing the noise over the melody, and the whole song will just fall apart. And finally, make sure your cues actually match the genre. Asking for a stadium crowd in the middle of a soft acoustic lullaby is just going to confuse the model and give you messy results. And to get the best results, you can follow these three rules. Less is more. 1 or 2 cues are usually enough. Match the genre. These work best with rock, folk, and singer-songwriter styles. And place your cues at structural moments, like the very beginning, the bridge, or the ending. And remember, think atmosphere, not specific sound. Suno is better at creating a vibe than a perfectly timed sound effect. So let's put everything together into one final stadium rock prompt to see how this looks in a real performance. For the style prompt, I'm gonna type this here. And here is the lyric block with our context stacks.
Are you ready tonight? We came here to rock! We came here to feel alive!
Did you hear that? The difference isn't just the background noise, it's the air in the recording. A lot of crowd roaring and noise. It feels like we are really there in the scene. By using these cues, you've stopped being a prompter and you've become a producer. You're no longer just asking for a song, you're directing the physical architecture of a performance. Try this on your next track. Stop letting your music live in a digital box and give it a real environment. If this helped, subscribe. There's a lot more where this came from. I'll see you in the next one.